A political crisis and an aviation scare in Western India right now. A plane carrying one of Maharashtra's most powerful leaders is reportedly being involved in a crash emergency, triggering multi-agency rescue operations and sending shock waves through the state's capital. What happened? Who's hurt? And what it means for regional politics? We break it all down. Around midday today, an aircraft reportedly carrying Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was involved in what authorities are now calling a plane crash emergency in Maharashtra. Early reports suggest the aircraft encountered catastrophic failure during approach, forcing emergency response teams to mobilize immediately. First responders from civil aviation authorities, police and fire brigades rushed to the scene. Videos from the site show smoke, debris and rescue crews combing the area for survivors. Hospital doors remain on high alert as injured are being brought in. Ajit Pawar is a key political figure in Maharashtra, a senior leader with decades in state politics and a central force in recent coalition governments. Any news involving him triggers regional and national political ripples. At this moment, official casualty figures remain unconfirmed. Some preliminary reports indicate injuries among passengers and crew, but medical officials have not released a full tally, awaiting confirmation from state disaster management authorities. India's aviation safety protocols are among the strictest globally. A crash involving a VIP aircraft, especially one tied to political leadership, could trigger investigations by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation and possibly impact flight operations across the region. Maharashtra is already in a delicate political balance. News of Ajit Pawar's involvement in such a high-profile incident raises questions about governance continuity, emergency planning and political stability. Expect official statements from Maharashtra's Chief Minister's office, aviation authorities and possibly the Prime Minister's office. Analysts will watch how this plays out on both political and infrastructure safety fronts. This is a developing story. A political leader involved in a major aviation emergency, rescue teams deployed, and a waiting world looking for answers. Stay tuned as new details come in.